Hi, in today's version of the Camping Knot series, we're going to be working on the Alpine Butterfly. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm John with Let's Go Now Adventures. And in today's video, we're going to be learning how to tie the Alpine Butterfly. Now, the Alpine Butterfly is one of those knots I like to call a trophy knot. Like the bowline, like the trucker's hitch, the Alpine Butterfly, those knots are the ones you just kind of need to know how to tie. One of the things with the Alpine Butterfly is that it's great, it's a loop, it's a fixed loop, and no matter what direction you're pulling on your fixed loop, you could pull in any direction. That knot maintains its strength and integrity. The other thing about the Alpine Butterfly is it's super easy to untie. You just take the two wings and pull it apart. So there are many uses for the Alpine Butterfly. One might be just to string up a line of Alpine Butterflies to hang your gear around camp. Another would be it's a great part or an important part of the way many people tie the trucker's hitch. Also, you can use it as a retrieval rope in that you put the Alpine Butterfly over a branch of a tree, for example, run one end of your rope through that loop and pull it tight. You know what's great is when you need that rope back or you need that untied from that tree branch, you just grab the other end and pull and it releases the rope. The Alpine Butterfly is so easy to tie. There's many different ways, and today I'm going to be showing you 3 ways to tie it. Make sure you stay tuned till the end, because at the end I'm going to show you how to tie the Alpine Butterfly with one hand. So the first way I'm going to show you how to tie the Alpine Butterfly is one of the easiest ways to visualize this knot. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to create a large loop with our rope. We're going to take that loop and we're going to cross it again so we create a figure 8. This figure 8 will help you really see what's going on with the Alpine loop. Now what I'd like you to do is grab right where your figure 8 crosses and then fold that top loop underneath everything. What that's going to do is that's going to leave you several options. It's the middle hole. You're going to just wrap that loop around, pull it, and we're going to tighten all 4 ends. And there is the Alpine Butterfly. So the second way to tie the Alpine Butterfly is we're going to make 3 loops around our hand. One up by our thumb, the second one out by our fingertips, and the third one around is going to go right down the middle of those 2. So we got 1, 2, and 3. So what you want to do is take your second loop, pull it over the top of the others, come underneath with that loop, grab it, then grab your free ends, and you have an Alpine Butterfly. The third way we're going to tie the Alpine Butterfly is one-handed. This is what you've been waiting for. So come up with your good hand. I'm right-handed, so I use my right hand. Come up from underneath the rope, make a loop. Now you want to keep everything that's happening out near your fingertips. Now take your first and second fingers and loop again. Now keep that thumb, roll it underneath, grab that loop with your first and second finger. Grab your free ends, pull that tight, and you've got an Alpine Butterfly tied with one hand. So once again, slow. Make your first loop, second loop. Keep this loop by your thumb right there. Roll it forward until you can grab it with your middle finger. Then with your middle finger, just pull that knot through. You can tighten from all the sides. And there you have an Alpine Butterfly. And underneath your rope, loop it around one time. Now take your first 2 fingers and loop it around the rope so you've got basically like that. Now you want to work with the knot near your tips of your fingers, because what you'll do is just roll that over until you can grab it with your first and second finger. Just loop that around and we're going to pull that knot through. Tighten that baby up and you have an Alpine Butterfly. So here we are. This is the way we're going to tie this one-handed one more time, but with a little practice you can go a little quicker. I find it's even a little bit easier to tie this knot one-handed quick. So you make your 2 loops, roll it forward, grab it, and pull through, and you've got your Alpine Butterfly. What I've done is I've loosened the Alpine Butterfly a little bit so you can see where the knot gets its name from. You can see that if you use your wildest imagination, that it looks like a butterfly. Here are the wings, and then here's the body with the antenna coming up the top. So there you have your butterfly. Fly away, little butterfly. So thanks for watching the video today about the Alpine Butterfly. The Alpine Butterfly, it's one of those trophy knots. I've had people tell me that they'll tie an Alpine Butterfly. They don't need it. They just tie it because it's such a pretty knot. It's a nice knot to tie. It's so symmetrical, and even after it's been under a great load, it's easy to untie. So thanks for watching. I'm John with Let's Go Now Adventures, and we'll see you on the next adventure.